Hello friends, today we are going to start first chapter of our English textbook, that is three questions. See, in these three questions there is a one king and who is seeking answers for his three questions. So let's see which are the three questions he is seeking answers for. See, uh, the thought came to a certain king that he would never fail if he knew three things. These three things were: what is the right time to begin something, which people should he listen to, what is the most important thing for him to do. See, there is one king and the three questions arise in his mind, and these three questions are: see, what is the right time to begin something, की कोणतीही गोष्ट करण्यासाठी राईट टाइम, योग्य वेळ कोणती, विच पीपल शुड ही लिसन टू, त्यानं कोणत्या लोकांचं ऐकावं किंवा कोणत्या लोकांच्याकडून त्यानं ॲडव्हाइस घ्यावेत, व्हॉट इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट थिंग फॉर हिम टू डू, आणि सर्वात महत्त्वाची गोष्ट कोणती की जी त्यानं करायला हवी. These are the three questions arised in the king's mind. The king therefore sent messengers throughout his kingdom, promising a large sum of money to anyone who would answer these three questions. See, here our king sent a messengers in his kingdom for answer, as well as he promised that he will give them reward as a large sum of money. Many wise men came to the king, but they all answered his questions differently. See, our king's messengers went in the kingdom. They announced the questions as well as they announced the reward that our king was ready to give. But many wise men came with their answers, but their answers were different. In reply to the first question, some said the king must prepare a timetable and then follow it strictly. Only in this way, they said, could he do everything as its proper time. See, our king's first question was that what is the right time to begin something. योग्य वेळ कोणती, असा आपल्या राजाचा पहिला प्रश्न होता. And here some people said that king must prepare a timetable to do the right things on the right time. Others said that it was impossible to decide in advance the right time for doing something. The king should notice all that was going on. See, other people suggested that it is impossible to decide the right time, so the king should notice all that was going on, avoid foolish pleasures, and always do whatever seem necessary at that time. See, here other people suggested that it is very difficult to find out the right time, so instead of that, king should leave his pleasures and just he will see, observe his kingdom. Yet others said that the king needed a council of wise men who would help him act at that proper time. See, this was because one man would find it impossible to decide correctly without help from the others the right time for every action. See, other wise people in the kingdom suggested that the king should keep council with him, group of members, or group of members who help him in his advice. This was because the king should keep counsel with him, because it is impossible for one man to find out the correct answer. But then others said that there were some things which could be urgent. These things could not wait for the decision of the council. Other people said that some things could be urgent, so they could not wait for the decision of the council. In order to decide the right time for doing something, it is necessary to look into the future. तर काही लोक त्याला सांगतात की आपल्याला कधी कधी भविष्यात घडणाऱ्या गोष्टी कळणारच नाहीत, मग आपण त्याच्यासाठी राईट टाइम कशी ठरवणार. सो इन ऑर्डर टू डिसाइड द राईट टाइम फॉर डुईंग समथिंग, इट इज नेसेसरी टू लुक इन टू द फ्युचर. मग आपल्याला जर राईट टाइम माहीत करून घ्यायचा असेल तर आपल्याला फ्युचर माहीत हवं. अँड ओनली मॅजिशियन्स कुड डू दॅट. द किंग देअरफॉर वुड हॅव टू गो टू द मॅजिशियन्स, जादूगार. आणि मग काही लोक म्हणतात की राईट टाइम जर आपल्याला जाणून घ्यायचं असेल तर ते जादूगाराला माहीत असू शकतं, म्हणून राजानं मॅजिशियनकडे जावं. In their answers to the second question, some said that people most necessary to the king were his counselors. See, the second question of the king was that which are to whom he should listen, or to which are the important persons for the king. So in their answer to the second question, some said that people most necessary to the king were his counselors. काही लोक म्हणाले की काउन्सिलर्स king नाही ऐकावं. Other said the priest पंडित पंडितांचं ऐकावं. A few others choose the doctors. काही लोक म्हणाले की त्यांनी डॉक्टरचं ऐकावं. And yet others said that his soldiers were the most necessary. आणि काही लोक म्हणाले की सोल्जर सुद्धा खूप महत्वाचे आहेत, इसेन्शियल आहे, तेव्हा सोल्जर्स ऐकावं. These are the answers suggested by the wise men for the second question. Then to the third question, some said the science, others chose fighting, and yet others religious worship. See, and third question was that, see, the third question was that what is the most important thing for him to. सगळ्यात महत्त्वाची गोष्ट कोणती की जी राजानं करावी. तर काही लोक म्हणाले की टू द थर्ड क्वेश्चन, सम सेड सायन्स खूप महत्त्वाचा आहे. ऑदर्स चोज फायटिंग खूप महत्त्वाची आहे एका राजासाठी. अँड येट ऑदर्स रिलिजियस वर्शिप, की त्यानं पूजा अर्चा करावी, देवधर्म करावेत. As the answers to his questions were so different, the king was not satisfied and gave no reward. See, the king was not satisfied because of all these answers for the different questions. So he did not give any reward to anyone. Instead, he decided to seek the advice of a certain hermit who was widely known for his wisdom. Now our king decided that he will take the answers of his questions from the hermit. Hermit is a person who lives alone and leads a simple life. Hermit in Marathi we can call them a sadhu किंवा ऋषी जे जंगलात राहतात. The hermit lived in a wood which he never left. He saw no one but simple people, and so the king put on ordinary clothes. Before he reached the hermit's hut, the king left his horse with his bodyguard and went on alone. So our king decided to meet the hermit to take the answers for his questions. Hermit is a sadhu or sant की जे जंगलात राहतात, ऋषी. So our king went to meet that hermit as a common man in a very ordinary clothes. As the king came near the hermit's hut, he saw the hermit digging the ground in front of his hut. He greeted the king and continued digging. The hermit was old and weak, and he breathed heavily. See, you can see in the picture that one hermit is there. He is very old and weak, and there is a spade in his hand, and he is digging in front of his hut. He is digging something. When that old hermit saw the king, he greeted that king and continued his work and continued his digging. The king went up to the hermit and said, see, our king is also there. Our king came there as a ordinary man, as a very common man in ordinary clothes. The king went up to the hermit and said, I have come to you, wise hermit, to ask you to answer 3 questions. See, our king again asked these 3 questions to the old hermit. See, how can I learn to do the right thing at the right time? Our king's first question was that, our king said that, how can I learn to do the right thing at the right time? योग्य गोष्ट योग्य वेळी कधी करावी किंवा कशी करावी? Who are the people I need most? मला सगळ्यात जास्त कोणकोणत्या लोकांची गरज आहे? And what affairs are the most important? आणि सगळ्यात महत्त्वाच्या गोष्टी कोणत्या? The hermit listened to the king but did not speak. He went on digging. You are tired, said the king. Let me take the spade and work in your place. See, our hermit, who is very old and weak, tired, and our king said that, give me your spade, I will work here, I will dig here for you, you take a rest. Thanks, said the hermit, giving the king his spade. Then he sat down on the ground. See, our old hermit has given a spade to the king, and he sat down on the ground. When the king had dug 2 beds, he stopped and repeated his questions. The hermit gave no answer, but stood up, stretching out his hand for the spade, and said, now you rest and let me work here. Here our king started to dig out the land there. He had dug 2 beds. त्याने दोन खड्डे खणलेले आहेत and he stopped and repeated his question. Our king stopped and repeated same questions again to the hermit. The hermit gave no answer. hermit ने काहीच आन्सर दिलेलं नाही. आपला क्वेश्चन किंग परत परत ते क्वेश्चन्स रिपीट करतोय. The hermit gave no answer but stood up, stretching out his hand for the spade and said, now you rest and let me work. Here our king again and again asking the same questions to the hermit, but hermit is not giving answer. Instead of that, here hermit said that he stretched out his hands and said that now you rest, let me work. But the king did not give him the spade and continued to dig. आणि आपल्या किंगनं स्पेड ते त्याला परत दिलेलं नाही, ती कुदळ त्याला दिलेली नाही परत, आणि तो काय करतो, आपलं डिगिंग चालूच ठेवतो. 1 hour passed, then another. The sun went down behind the trees, and at last the king stuck the spade into the ground and said, I came to you, wise man, for an answer to my questions. If you can give me no answer, tell me so, and I will return home. Here again our now the sun went the sun went down behind the trees. Here sun sets. Now there is evening time, and again our king is asking the same questions, but our hermit is not giving answer. So finally our king said to the old hermit that if you want to give me answers, you can give. If you don't want to give me answer, then tell me, I will return home. Here comes someone running, said the hermit. See, at the time of conversation is going on between the hermit and the king. At that time someone is coming there, said the hermit. Here students, our first part completes. We will see the next part in our next session. See, this is a very interesting story, interesting questions that arise in the mind of king, and he is seeking answers for these questions. So remaining part we will see to the next session.